Hi everyone, so today we are going to do a Amazon review of the LessMo stainless steel premium salt and pepper mills set with a ceramic grinder. I have been wanting a ceramic grinder for a very long time, so I'm super happy about this. I love the taste of fresh pepper, so really excited to try this out. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so it's got a little beech stand over here, and let's pull up inside. Okay, cool. Okay, so we've got the stand, and we've got the two containers here. So they'll stand up like that. Alright, just going to take the plastic off. It's got the lid here with the grinder right there. I'm going to put some peppercorn in real quick. Alright, got some in right here. Just screw on the lid. It's got a nice top there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to first put this on fine, and we're going to try it out here. I'll open it up a little bit. Just going to open it up a little bit more and do the coarse. I did a lot of the coarse there. But yeah, as you can tell, you can see the difference between the fine over here. It's very fine. Kind of a medium amount right here. And then you can tell it's definitely coarse. Cool. I love it. Alright, as you can see, it's got a nice stand. Again, just going to take off the little plastic off of here. And look at that. That looks beautiful.